right, some breaking news coming in, and this is about the NCB investigation, which is now looking at the drug angle. There are 20 suspects in this drug angle in the case of Sushant Singh Rajput, including Gaurav Arya, Suved Lohia, and Quon Entertainment, and also partner Jay Shah. The ex-Bigg Boss contestant Ejaz Khan, Farooq Batata, Bakul Chandani. These are the other names which are emerging in this very important investigation that the NCB is looking at. My colleague Harman is getting us this important details from Mumbai, putting it into perspective for us. Harman, over to you. Help us understand how is the agency moving forward in this investigation.
Well, yes, this is now the third agency that has come into the scene. You have the NCB, which is going to question close to around 20 suspects, is what we are given to understand. Who are these? Well, the foremost is Gaurav Arya, who is also linked now to the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Riya Chakravarti herself, Shouvik, her brother, Jaya Saha, the talent manager at one of the companies. Shruti Modi will also be questioned, along with several contestants from Bigg Boss, including that of Ejaz Khan. These are according to sources. Furthermore, there is already a case that has been registered, which is, if I may quote, so sections 20B and of 28 of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act is what we are given to understand, and which has been, in which Riya Chakravarti, her brother Shouvik Chakravarti, Jaya Saha, Shruti Modi and Gaurav Arya have been booked. It is also believed that on the 16th of August, as we had broken the news earlier, there was a rave party that was busted in Goa. A small-time actor, Kapil Zaveri, was arrested along with 22 others, and drugs worth 9 lakhs was recovered from there. Right now, the link is to see whether Gaurav Arya had also supplied drugs to this very party, since he is also based in Goa. He owns a small hotel there, which is in the north of Goa. So the link is to check whether he had also supplied drugs to that rave party, to where 9 lakhs worth drugs was recovered, and also whether he was present at that very party. So whether he was participating and whether he had also supplied. So that is the link as far as the NCB's role is concerned in this entire matter.
I want to cut across to Radhika as well, who's with us on the broadcast. Radhika, with this new drugs angle emerging, there is a possibility that the CBI is looking at fresh charges, fresh theory. Earlier, the Patna FIR that was registered, that was overtaken by the CBI after the recommendation from the Bihar government, talks about abetment to suicide. But now the angles that the CBI is looking at are a possible conspiracy to kill Sushant Singh Rajput. That's the allegation that the father has also reiterated. Tell us who are the key people who have been questioned so far by the CBI. We also want to take in a perspective from Mihir, who will tell us about what's happening at the Enforcement Directorate as multiple people continue to be questioned. Mihir, over to you. Take us through the key people who have been questioned by CBI and ED so far in the day.
Is that question for me?
Yes, Mihir, for you. Please go ahead.
Absolutely. As far as today is concerned, Siddharth Pitani was the first one before the CBI officials could come in, was the